What type of hydrangea is Nikko blue? The Nikko blue hydrangea is a type of Hydrangea macrophylla, also known as the bigleaf hydrangea. It's a popular variety prized for its large, deep blue blooms. Nikko blue hydrangea versus endless summer. I've had Nikko blue hydrangeas in my garden, and their deep blue blooms are just stunning, especially when they really pop in the summer heat. On the other hand, endless summer hydrangeas have been a game changer for me because they keep flowering throughout the season, which is fantastic for ongoing color. I appreciate the Nikko blue for its classic, rich blue hue, but the continuous blooms of the endless summer have been a real highlight for extended garden beauty. What zone does Nikko blue hydrangea grow? The Nikko blue hydrangea thrives in zones 6 to 9 on the USDA plant hardiness map. This means it can withstand winter temperatures as low as -10 to 20 degrees Fahrenheit. Where to buy Nikko blue hydrangea? Finding a Nikko blue hydrangea can depend on where you live and your preferred shopping method. Here are a couple of options. Local nurseries and garden centers. This is a great option if you want to see the plant in person before you buy it. Ask the staff for advice on planting and care specific to your climate. Online retailers. Many online retailers sell Nikko blue hydrangeas. This can be a convenient option, especially if you can't find them locally. Just be sure to order from a reputable seller with good reviews to ensure you get a healthy plant. Be aware that shipping costs might apply. When to prune Nikko blue hydrangea? The best time to prune Nikko blue hydrangeas is in late winter or early spring, before new growth appears. Pruning encourages bushier growth and larger blooms. Can Nikko blue hydrangea take full sun? Nikko blue hydrangeas can tolerate full sun, but they prefer some afternoon shade, especially in hot climates. Too much direct sun can scorch the leaves and flowers. How to care for Nikko blue hydrangea? Here are some general care tips for Nikko blue hydrangeas. Plant them in well-drained, acidic soil. Water them regularly, especially during hot weather. Mulch around the base of the plant to help retain moisture and regulate soil temperature. Apply a fertilizer formulated for acid-loving plants in early spring. How to prune Nikko blue hydrangea? As mentioned before, the best time to prune Nikko blue hydrangeas is in late winter or early spring. Just remove any dead, diseased, or crossing branches. You can also cut back some of the older stems to promote new growth. When does Nikko blue hydrangea bloom? Nikko blue hydrangeas typically bloom in early summer and continue to flower for up to 2 months. When to fertilize Nikko blue hydrangea? You can fertilize your Nikko blue hydrangea in early spring, just before new growth appears. A fertilizer formulated for acid-loving plants is a good option. Why is my Nikko blue hydrangea pink? The reason why your Nikko blue hydrangea might be pink instead of blue is because of the soil pH. Hydrangeas produce blue flowers in acidic soil and pink flowers in alkaline soil. You can try adding a soil acidifier to make the soil more acidic and encourage blue blooms. Do Nikko blue hydrangea like bone meal? Nikko blue hydrangeas don't particularly care for bone meal. A fertilizer formulated for acid-loving plants is a better choice for these hydrangeas. Does Nikko blue hydrangea bloom on new or old wood? Nikko blue hydrangeas bloom on old wood, so avoid pruning them in late summer or fall, as this will remove the flower buds for the following season. How to propagate Nikko blue hydrangea? Propagating Nikko blue hydrangeas can be done through stem cuttings. Take cuttings in early summer and plant them in pots with moistened potting mix. Keep them in a cool, shaded location and mist them regularly until they root. Is Nikko blue hydrangea patented? Nikko blue hydrangeas are not patented. Why won't my Nikko blue hydrangea bloom? There are a few reasons why your Nikko blue hydrangea might not be blooming. It could be due to incorrect pruning, improper watering, lack of fertilizer, or soil pH that's too high.